Disasters. I am here today with my friend, and oh God, why did I say Ann? Lord, start over. It sounds like I said.
What's up, beautiful disasters? I'm here with my friend Ann today because she wanted to learn about these lashes. Am I right?
Yes.
This FALSCARA Kiss Kit, which is $24.99 at Target, and I broke it down on how you can get it cheaper at Dollar Tree, which is exactly what I did for her. And so today she wants to learn how to do lashes. So we're going to do that. Sit back, chill. If you wanted to learn how to do these lashes, well, hey, you're going to learn along with her. You're going to see what what questions you might have that maybe I didn't answer that she has and you probably had too. So this is going to be fun. So guys, sit back, relax. While she's applying the lashes, I am going to speed up the video just so she can concentrate and, we're not distracting her. And you're going to have some nice music of whatever the heck I decide to pick, just like I do in any other video. And there we go. So you ready to get started?
Let's get it.
All right, let's go. So at Dollar Tree, they had a lot of different lashes. So I'm going to show you the lashes and then I'm going to pass them to her and she's going to say yay or nay. Okay, because this is all about what she likes. They have long lashes, short lashes, 3D lashes, wispy lashes. So I'm going to let her choose which ones. But this is the first one. Let me get out of frame. There you go. And as you can see, these are Ione Wispy Volume Long. They are 3D curls, faux mink. What you think?
These are the mink long. So I feel like, so I have to go to work tomorrow. So I feel like if I put these on, then I'm probably going to be like, flapping and flying up to the ceiling with these long things. I'm going to pass on the long ones.
I think that's a good idea. They are long lashes. To each their own. If you like to rock lashes like this every day, go for it, girl. It's just, I don't think that's us. But this is the next one. This is a 3D faux mink Ione Wispy Medium Full. So this is what they look like. Let's make sure. All right.
Okay. What y'all think? These are medium.
Still long.
Wispy. Yeah, I still think I'd be flying off somewhere with these things. And plus I wear glasses. I got to think about this also. I wear glasses all day long because I have to wear safety glasses at work. So, the longer they are, the more they're going to be flapping against my glasses.
True. And so that means I'm not going to show her. I'm not going to give her I'm going to let her look at them, but she doesn't have to comment on them because I already know they're going to be too long for her. But I'm going to show them to you in case they are your style. So this is another one that they have out. I mean, Dollar Tree has come out with so many lashes, guys. And they all have different color boxes, if you can tell. So you pretty much, once you know which ones you like, you can do, your eyes will go straight to that color when you go in there and you can just grab them all. This is the Wispy Medium Length 3D faux mink, still too long for her. And then these are the Wispy Medium Length 3 strands, also pretty long as well. So I think for her, I'm going to let her choose between the two shorts, right? One short is longer than the other. I'm just going to let you know now. This is the one where I'm like, they're short for real, but when you put them on, they're really not that long. They look longer in the box, though, because these are the ones that I wear, and I don't like long lashes. So these are those, and these are the shorts, just FYI. These are the shorts, okay? Still pretty long, though. But once you put them on, they don't look as long. So I don't know. I've worn those. And then here are the 3D Wispy Natural shorts. These are shorter. These are definitely more natural. And I have a feeling she might go for these, but I'm going to let her tell you.
So, oh yeah, I like these because these are like a little bit more plumper. They seem like they're wider, which, I like the wide stuff. These do seem like they're a little bit longer too.
They do.
Yeah.
And I've worn those, and they don't look as long when I have them on, but they look long in the box. But I feel like that'll be more of your...
Yeah, we're going to go with these because I don't think these will touch my glasses.
gonna go with the shorts that I like. I like these, and I'm gonna be honest with you. If you happen to come across these, you should grab as many of these as you possibly can, because this green box you don't come across that often. You will see a lot of these shorts, but not these shorts. And so when I see these, I grab them all at Dollar Tree. But different. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use the bond, which is this part, the black part, looks like mascara. This part here, we're gonna use this first. And then after we apply the lash, we go over it with the seal, which is the clear part here. And they're both labeled, so you know which side is which side, bond and then seal. Here is the applicator from Dollar Tree, $1.25.
This kind of reminds me of the, like when we were younger back in the day and they got those, what are they? Lash curls? The where you curl your lashes. This is kind of like that, only, man, the stuff they have come out with these days.
It has a plastic piece on that to keep those bad boys together. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just pretending. I've never even seen these things before, for real.
Okay, and the last part of the kit, if you can see here, they have a FALSCARA remover. And all it is, if you can see, it's really just oil. You can remove, even if you have extensions, the way they fall out quicker is if you put oil remover on them. Any oil will loosen up the glue. So you don't need that. If you have just what you use for your eye makeup, your eyeshadow, and it has oil in it, micellar water will do the same thing as long as it's got the oil in it. So this is the same thing as this. So you probably already have it in your house.
I've never even held one of these things. I don't know what they are. They seem like they're really fragile, but oh yeah, so they're stuck on there too.
Is this even the right way? Let me see. This is... I'm doing this backwards. I would never be able to do this. This would take me... I can't even get this thing. This thing take me forever. Wait, am I doing it the right way? Is it this way? It's this way. Okay, then I need to do it this way. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Wait, is this the right way? No. Okay, this is the right way. I think this is the right way. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely struggling. Okay. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. Is this the right way? Like this, right? Yeah.
I like to start from the outer.
You do it underneath?
Underneath, because that's where we're going to place the lash. You're going to take the lash and attach it under, just like that. And then I like to take this and make sure that I squeeze this together.
Mashed together. You're doing perfect. Let me see the... Yes! Okay, now do the next one. You're good. Do I do the whole eye? Well, it depends. Do you just want to have them for your ends? Because that does make them look a little filler if you just want to do them for your ends, or you could do your whole eye. Completely up to you. Yeah, they look cute. Let me try another one. Okay, bond. Bond. I always open it at the lash line and then swoop it up like mascara. Lash line, swoop up.
What's up, beautiful disasters? We're back. So this is the finished look. What do we think?
So let me get a close up.
And tell them what you thought of it. Like when you did the one side and then we had to move to the next side. And you
Okay. So like seriously, I'm not used to any of this stuff. So this side was, it takes a little bit to learn which way the actual lash goes on there. And you got to keep this thing clean because if not, they stick to this thing. And I wasn't taking the glue off when I was first doing it. And so you got to take the glue off the lash and then use this and try to keep this clean because if not, it'll stick. So this side was a little bit harder because I was kind of like looking from this and I'm right-handed. So this side was so much more easier for me to do it. And I only put like 3 and 3 or something like that from the edges up and then the rest is mascara. So on this part is where it stops and you really can't tell, but yeah, so it just takes some getting used to, but I like them. They actually look short. They look shorter in the box than what they are on, because when you put them on, they actually feel like they're a little bit longer. So if you definitely do not want the long ones, I would go with the short ones first because they feel longer. Like if you look.
Agree. I like those too.
Definitely a thumbs up though.
All right. Well, beautiful disasters, we are out of here. Thanks for joining us today. Have a good day, beautiful disasters. Until another one. Bye.
Bye.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down.